this is Jordan, and this is Jordan's Akrapovic exhaust E92 M3 BPM tune. So basically similar to my car, but with this very loud exhaust and that very cool plate. So let's jump in and make it happen.
I call shotgun Brianna.
Just move my purse.
There we go.
Sorry, I was locking you out of your own car. Do you have comfort access or no?
I don't.
Okay.
It's like a weirdly bare bones M3.
Yeah, my mom's is like that too. That's good stuff.
How's that stock exhaust for you?
I want this.
You can get them on the cheap now.
How cheap?
Probably $3,000 to $4,000.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I would do that.
I paid $4 for this one.
All right, let's listen to this thing. You're not smart. I don't like anything you're about. You made me lift.
Unacceptable.
New enemy.
Doesn't take much of that kind of logic.
Road's better on this side for the tunnel.
I've never once regretted buying that exhaust.
No, it's awesome, and it doesn't drone. We're chilling.
On the highway, whatever, it's totally comfortable. Get the windows up, have some music on, you don't hear anything.
Yeah, this is great.
Everyone else hears you, but the noise canceling in the car does a good job too.
It's true. Guys, do you think I should find an Acra exhaust for my M3? Comment below, or whatever people do on YouTube,
Or
because
hit
you're
that
gonna,
thumbs up button.
yeah, you're gonna talk about it regardless. So. I'm curious how your car idles. My car, at certain temperatures, it'll kind of bog down a little bit. Mine idles a little lower than this.
It does when I first start it,
And
but then it kind of
go-
steadies out here. Good game.
Good game.
Damn, we gotta check their lights around here.
That's door locks. Somewhere buried in these menus. Speed warning, don't need that. There you go, yeah, it's right there in the M key setting.
I see.
It's weird.
And this is a BPM tune. We said that earlier,
Yep.
but worth mentioning again. So it feels pretty similar to my car.
I'm
I don't
sure
know.
it's about the same.
Yeah,
When I dynoed it a couple years ago, it did 375 with the wheels, so that was pretty good.
yeah. Yeah, mine's 357 on Bren's dyno, so depending on if we dynoed them on the same dyno, I'm sure they'd be pretty close.
Probably.
This is a very deadly corner. It gets really greasy.
How's that in the 911?
I've done some magic things on this corner to not die. And I'll show you a bump up here. There's a bump up here, and when you hit it in the 911 and have to brake, that. I've had to brake on that bump before. It's horrifying. All right, we got another tunnel. Let's see what it is with the windows up. When was the last time you did brakes on this? They feel good.
Never.
Really?
Actually, these are the brakes it's had since 34,000 miles.
Fantastic. This makes me very pleased because they feel good.
Yeah,
they don't
they
feel
still
new,
work.
but they feel good.
They squeak a little bit now just because of city driving. They get, flattened out. But
Sure.
other than that, they still work fine.
Fantastic.
I mean, as far as maintenance goes, I've had this car for 30-some thousand miles. I've only done spark plugs once, oil change 35,000 miles, and really nothing else has gone wrong.
All right, I want to get a downshift on this. Summer tires, 22 degrees. I'm about it. You know, maybe it's just because we're on a narrow road, but I think the horsepower wars lately have been absolutely bananas and unnecessary. 400 horsepower is plenty for a street car.
It's tons of fun for what you're ever going to do.
I get it when you want to do 100 to 160 real fast, but this does a
Never
lot.
happen anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. It never happens. We never do that.
No.
But it's just plenty. This car allows you to really exploit it.
In just everyday roads, if you're in the city or whatever.
All right, well, that's a quick Acra exhaust in an 09 E92 M3. Kind of bare bones, but Jordan's built it to be a proper little street car. So I don't know what else to say. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and liking, and watching, and subscribing, and commenting, and liking, and commenting, and
all those things.
All those things.
Do.
So do YouTube. Bye.